Man, what is up, y'all? JSB the creator, and I am back again with a new video today for y'all.
Let's go!
Today's video, somebody wants me to paint some shoes, so guess what I'ma do?
What?
Paint some shoes, specifically to match a t-shirt. So, y'all gonna come on with me on this little journey to paint some shoes. It's a beautiful day to paint some shoes.
Miami is literally in a state of total chaos tonight.
Oh, literally!
When I came down,
So we gonna paint some shoes. So let's get the painting. Painting is fun. Let's paint. Damn it. So this is the shirt, right? These are the shoes. Some good old fashioned Reebok classics, right? Y'all thought these was gonna be J's. Y'all thought these was gonna be Nikes. No, we're doing something different. We hit some Reeboks real quick. All right, let's make a match. Once again, guys, thanks for checking out another video with me, JSB the creator, on these simple and clean Reebok classics I just did to match the t-shirt you just saw. It was a simple task, make the kicks match the shirt. As you can see, I wanted to make sure that we included all the colors that was on the shirt, from the yellow detailing that is on the birds' bellies, the silver reflective little piping on the martini glass. I wanted to put that on the shoes as well, the color of the birds. Overall, I wanted to, include even that little green you see on their wings, everything. And they came out pretty nice, simple colorway, as I said. Nothing too crazy. You don't gotta always do something crazy, So, bam, you see it. But yeah, I'm gonna go and get those back to where they belong, and I'll check you guys out till next time, man. If you enjoyed today's video, don't be shy, leave a like, comment, subscribe, any of those things. And if you didn't, as I usually say, it's all good. But yeah, man, we're on to the next one. I will catch you guys on the flip side, and stay tuned. Peace. Enjoy your day, night, or whatever it is, wherever you are. All right, bye.